At American Home Contractors, we bring you unmatched protection with Tesla's Solar Roof and Powerwall 3. With over 250 installs, American Home Contractors is the premier Tesla-certified installer. Built for the extreme, the Tesla Solar Roof offers Class A fire protection, hail and wind resistance up to 194 miles per hour. Powerwall 3 stores your solar energy and keeps your entire home running, even when your neighborhood goes dark. It's all connected through the Tesla app, giving you total control. Anytime, anywhere.
Is that a Tesla solar roof?
For peace of mind, durability, and cutting-edge energy independence, trust the experts making the future work today. Choose American Home Contractors, the #1 Tesla certified installer.